Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. We are missing the chat, but let's see what's going on. All right, the chat is back. What do we got? We have got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T, first in the chat. Dark Bro, baby. We got Dark Bro, Gorilla, Combo, Dark Bro, Gorilla, Combo, Tim. We got Combo, Gorilla, Dark Bro, Tim, Dark Bro, good. What is good news? Good news with Garrett. There you go. Good news with Gary Gnu. I like it, man. We got Dark Bro Tim, a Combo, Gorilla, No Toast, Dark Bro, Gorilla, Shib Bro, 6th or 7th, one of those, man. Good news. We got No Toast, Gorilla, good news. We got Gorilla, Combo, Shib Bro, Dark Bro, Gorilla, Combo, Tyler, good news. Shib Bro, Combo, Tim, Dark Bro, Shib Bro, J-Bones. All of you guys, so glad to have you in here right now. Let's see what we got going on so far. That is not the market. This is the market. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, finishing the day 0.11% higher, basically break even, $4.44. Shiba Inu coin testing 1,000 points per coin once again, dropping that zero, adding the zero back on there. Nonetheless, a 3% gain today, which is looking very good. GameStop off the chart. GameStop ending 1.22% higher on the day today, $13.68. Bitcoin down at the bottom left, sitting at 54,000. 54,000. You heard that right. $54,427. Guys, look at the daily candle. Bitcoin just ripping today after spending about 2 weeks in this $50,000 range. Bitcoin ripping through resistance today, going from $50,000 to $55,000, a near 10% gain on the day between the lows and the high, and currently sitting 5.59% higher over the last 24 hours to $54,425 per coin. The strength is maddening. The strength is maddening. The NASDAQ, on the other hand, did not fare so well. The NASDAQ finished 0.13% lower today. Like we say, man, could be double topping on the weekly chart. Look at this. You got to go all the way back to 2021. We may be double topping up here at the maximum level of resistance, aka the all-time high right here, 16,212 points per coin. Proven to be the all-time high before. We'll have to see if it holds as the all-time high again. AMC 444, GameStop 1368. Man, look at the daily on GameStop and AMC. Now the weekly, look at the weekly, dude. Ripping in 2021, giving back all those gains. Ripping in 2021, giving back all those gains and even then some. Kind of sad, dude. Dogecoin. Dogecoin also doing very well in 2021 and giving back all those gains. Man, 2021 was magical. The heck's going on in 2024? Ethereum sitting at 3182. 3182 is crazy as well. 991 on Shib. 54,400 on Bitcoin. The SPY 505. QQQ 436. Mullen Auto 706. Sundial $136. Netflix 587. Highcroft $1.99. MPW 384. Tesla sitting at 199. Amazon 174 and Apple 181. I'm telling you, man, overall tough day for the stock market, but crypto is performing beautifully. $54,000 on Bitcoin. Who the heck would have guessed that, man? Dark Bro! Thank you very much for the super chat. Still no honorarium logo. Slacking, bros. I'm telling him slacking. Missed out on that Solnado cash pre-sale. In between, right after that live stream there, I clicked the button. There was only 65 holders. Think about that, man. Only 65 people got it. I pulled the trigger. They didn't take my Solana, so I didn't get no Solnado. Missed opportunity there. And then I recorded another video in between the live stream. And here we are. So, yeah. Slacking, Tark. Slacking. Good news with Gary Gnu. We boycott until the honorarium logo appears on graphics. Dang it, man. What are you boycotting? What are we boycotting, man? I need to know. Hey, are you boycotting Clay, bro, or are you boycotting something else? Gary, let me know, man. Shibro teaching his hard. I got apprentices. I'm allowed to cuss at them. Teaching kids. Yeah. couldn't do that. Dude, Tim would probably scare the crap out of me if I went in there and tried to apprentice with Tim. I'd be like, oh, Mr. Tim, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Mr. Tim. I didn't mean to cut my finger off. I'll put a Band-Aid on it and put it back on, man. It'll be okay. Gee, Tim's like, get out of my office. My brother Clay, Simp5, what's going on? I love you, brother. Hugs. Anonymous, glad to have you in here, man. Thank you very much for being here. I think my Bitcoin short gets liquidated about 57,000. I want it. Do it. Still holding all my coins. Well, dude, short-term pullback, capitalize on that Bitcoin short, and then let the longs ride, man. Maybe we'll get a little bit of a pullback here. There's only, how many days left until March? Today's the 26th. There's 29 days in February this year. We got a long one. That's what, never mind. Friday. March happens on Friday. Guys, they're telling me that a pullback is going to be occurring in March. I don't know if they know something that we don't know, because they've apparently told us what they know, so we should know it by now. But yeah, they're telling me that we're going to have a pullback in March. So if Bitcoin does not go above 57,000, we might not have that liquidation taking place there, old rounder. You might be able to grab some benefit off that short during a March pullback. And then make sure the bags are loaded. That was the rocket taking off, not things crashing and burning, by the way. Points 2 Shib tonight. Tyler, I would love it. But Tyler, according to Gary Gnu, don't count on it, man. Don't count on it. Family Z, hello everybody, what's going on? Oh, no home. No home, oh. Oh, now I know what he's saying. No homo is what he's saying. Yeah, gotcha. Anonymous, man. Got that love for one another, my friend. Yes, dude. Anonymous is crazy. Oh, you guys remember, hey, I'm going to show you guys a dip buying opportunity. You know that in that video, Frog with Hat, right? So I recorded a video, Frog with Hat, that came out today. And I'm going to tell you the story right after I say, Timmy! Thank you very much for the super chat. Tim says, I'm not bragging. I'm trying to turn the Claybro fam into something I've been making money on. Perp and render. Trading. I'm 4x on my money on render. I'm 6x on my money on perp. Everything. Oh my gosh. And it is house money. Took profits, baby. Oh man. And you know what? I know that perp and render, you've been bringing those up for quite some time, Tim. Tim, I think you were bringing perp and render up, maybe both of them, right after you had that accident, dude, where the semi ran you off the road or whatever and flipped your car over. I think it was a truck, but flipped you over, dude. I think you've been talking about perp and render since then. Let's see where those are at real quick, because you got to be doing pretty well. You've been talking about those for a while. Perpcoin, ladies and gentlemen, Perpetual Protocol, sitting up 3% on the day today. Very nice gain on the day. Very nice steady action on the week. On the month, look at that beautiful 30% gain on the month. On the year, dude, look at this, man. On the year, going from lows of 40 cents to $1.47. Not bad at all. But these dip buying and peak opportunities, getting into this area for 40 cents, having a massive rally to $1.16, potentially selling, getting back in somewhere in this 60-cent range, potentially selling at $1.70. That's a 3x gain, getting out and potentially getting back in here at the dollar range, riding it up another 50% to $1.47. Perp has been looking very good. RNDR is the next one. Render coin. Dang, dude, look at Render. $2.7 billion market cap, sitting at $7. But look at this one over the last year, man. Going from $1.30 back in September, October to $7.50. Now, there wasn't many dip and peak buying and selling opportunities here, but nonetheless, this is a phenomenal trade over the last couple of months. Going 4 months strong, basically sitting on a 6x gain. So very, very nicely done, Tim, man. I love it. Dial Up Survivor. What is going on, Dial Up Survivor? Glad to have you in the chat. I think Pikamoon will 10x or better. Pre-sale sold out. Family Z, we can check it out, man. Greetings, bros. Welcome, new viewers. Dial Up, thank you very much for welcoming everybody into the chat right now. Make sure you have a landline. Today's society don't know about that AT&T outage happened due to the Fannie Willis text messages, and the stock went, oh gosh, AT&T stock. I actually didn't watch AT&T stock, and I also did not know the reasoning for the outage, but I believe there was an outage a couple days ago. And I do not have a landline. Let me see where AT&T stock is. It's just T. Yeah. Well, dude, I think the outage may have happened on this day right here, going from $17 down to $16.40. That is a decent move. Not necessarily for for a volatile stock, but for AT&T, that is a decent move there. And recently, going from $18 back down to $16.50. The good news for AT&T holders is that there is support at that $16.50 area. Bad news for AT&T holders is that we've broken out of this ascending trend line. Okay, now I don't care where you're going from, if you pull it all the way back to here, these lows down here or what, but this ascending trend line has essentially been broken. If you get a confirmation down below 1650, I would agree with all of these bearish signals right here. You got the price crossing the moving average, bearish. You've got a commodity channel index, bearish. You got a bearish pennant. Dang, man, they really marked this chart up, don't they? Bearish pennant breakout right there. And you've got yourself a diamond top. I do think Webull is very cool that they use AI to go in there and point out all of the different charting patterns. 4 bearish signals on this day alone right here. Now, gray, of course, you got yourself a nice neutral signal, and then the buy signals would come in this area right here. And, so far, so good. They've actually worked out. You buy on this day, you would have made some money. You bought on this day, you would have made some money. You're selling or going short right now, you might make some money. So, of course, Webull is going to tell you that these are not financial advice, so on and so forth. But, hey, man, if you go through and you can see, you can't go all the way back and see all of their signals. But if you go through, man, and you look at their buy and sell signals over the last couple of months, you can see that they've worked. I don't think that they're just going to leave all their history out there for you, though. They want to make sure that they keep you guessing as to whether or not they have a 100% track record. Let's see. Dark Bro, my guy, how is everybody? Oh, yes. AT&T took it harder than... Oh, my gosh. Hit that like, bros. Listen to Shay, bro. Click that like right there, please. Now, I want to show you guys something with... Dude, I'm literally recording this video, and I'm like, no, hold off a second. This is looking a little too frisky for me. I feel like there's going to be a pullback, and holy smokes, I'm glad I was not recording while it was pulling back there. I would have been able to handle it, but it would have been a pretty interesting video if I was. But take a look at... Do I have that page pulled up? Nah, I can pull it up, though. Dude, take a look at this price action for Frog with Hat. Yeah, man. Take a look at this price action right here. Huge pullback on the day, right? Look at the 5-minute chart. This 5-minute chart is insane right here. Going up all day long and boom! Basically getting ripped back down to these levels. Now, obviously, that looks very negative, right? But I will say this. I think that this is a lot of these traders right here, boom, selling off and getting out. The team spent a lot of money on marketing, and the team is still in. Now, I want to show you why I think this is an extremely solid level of support, at least at the moment, okay? Let's put our line on the chart right here. Horizontal line. Yeah, put it there, and I want to put another one down in this area. So, when this coin first launched, Okay, nobody really knows about it in the first 5 minutes, the first 10 minutes. And then you start to see the 15-minute mark right here. Boom, huge buys coming in. You had $46,000 in volume in the first 5 minutes. $0 in volume in the second 5 minutes. And then $448,000 in the 15-minute range there. Now, guys, dead serious, right? The first 15 minutes, if you come out and you look at the live pairs, look at these live pairs right here. What kind of a launch that literally just... Look at this one. There's another one. Somebody trying to copy these guys right here. FWIF. There's already people trying to copy these guys and take advantage of what's happening in Frog with Hat. Why? Because they know they're making marketing videos on it. They know they're making marketing videos on it. These people are going to scam some people out there. But I will say this. And that's kind of stupid. You know, Frog with Hat doesn't come out, and then these guys out there trying to rip $200 in volume, not the $6 million in volume that other project is, that the real Frog with Hat is doing. None of these projects are going to be getting. Nobody's going to be dumb enough to put $450,000 in the first 15 minutes of existence into any of these projects right here. So when you see something like Frog with Hat, and in the first 15 minutes it's doing $500,000 in volume, you know that these guys are pushing into it. The only people that would buy into something like that are like cryptocurrency teams. They go out there, they create these tokens, they market the crap out of them. They push a ton of money into them, and then they build up a very strong holder base. Then they slowly begin to pull some money out, make a very nice profit, and hey, they might move on, but they don't typically rug. Now, you know that the team getting in this area, you are going to have massive support in this area. Why? Because the first $500,000 came in right here, and the team's going to be holding or slowly removing their money so that they can make their profit. That is exactly where this coin pulled back to. All of these guys who jumped in got spooked, and then they jump right out. There's a very strong level of support right there, and with the second level down in this area right here. So if it falls below, I would say 001, at that point I would be a little bit concerned, sure, because the team would have to be pulling their money out in order for the coin to fall below 001, because it's only the team's money it's in before 001. So knowing that these guys had a nice little rally there, it has sold off. You might get a double bottom and another opportunity to double or triple your money before resistance is met right here. But dude, wild price action on Frog with Hat today. Wild. Hey, sorry I missed your chat. Oh, Anonymous. Gotcha. Anonymous. Man, I cannot rub my eye. It's gonna get bad if I do. Heck yeah, just ate pizza. Papa John's leftovers from last night after doing hay and all other things. Other things. My rest? Or did Z things. I squirreled out. What the heck, Anonymous? Squirreling out on what now? I don't even know what's going on, man. Let's see. Same here, Kombu. Kombu, no good. Dial up. Bad brain. No, Kombu's got a good brain, man. Kombu's got a good brain. Listen, Kombu. Start speaking some life into the situation. Alright? Don't speak some death into it. Speak some life into it. Even if it's gotta be kind of like a very vague positivity. Keep it a positive thing, man. Your tongue can kill and your tongue can bring some life, dude, so do it. My back is killing me. Chiropractor sent me to collections for $5, and a massage would be too expensive, so I'm screwed. Your chiropractor sent you to collections for $5? Dial up, that's pretty interesting there. Seriously, dial up. What the heck? $5? That is messed up, man. If they're sending you to collections for $5, I don't even know why they would. Dude, it would probably be more expensive than $5 to send you to collections, right? That's the ridiculous part. How's Honorarium doing this afternoon? Oh, somebody sold a little Honorarium. What are you doing? $98, man. Gosh. Probably dial-up. She needed to pay that $5 to the chiropractor, so she got out of that $98. Dial-up. Pay your bills. You get that $98 sell right there. Make sure to pay your bills with it. Of course, I am messing with you, dial-up. I don't know if you have any Honorarium or not. I don't know if you're the one that sold off or not. Hey, bro, you getting these super chats? Dark, bro. I got this one. It didn't... I didn't even hear that. Did you guys hear that come through? I didn't even hear it come through. Dark Bro! Thank you very much for the super chat. Did it show up on Streamlabs? I did show up on Streamlabs after Tim, but I was going through some stupid speech or something. I don't know. Dark Bro says, the real question is when Honorarium logo on the live thumbnail? When update video? When moon? When Pika? When Honorarium? $1, $10, $100, $1,000. Dang it, there's so many wins. I don't even know the answer. Hold on, I clicked the button. Alright, hopefully the microphone still sounds good. Dark Bro, there's so many wins, I don't know how to answer that question. Oh yeah, yes I do. I've been around long enough. Soon. Soon Honorarium logo on thumbnail. Soon moon. Soon Pika. Soon Honorarium $1, $10, $100, $1,000. Everything is happening soon, Dark Bro. Heck yeah, man. Now, coming back down to the bottom of the chat. I don't know why I didn't hear that come across the screen. I certainly didn't see it, man. That is my bad. Let's see. Cool, bro. You get the super chats. Yes, I am. Selling $10 just a second ago. And then a $5 one at the end of the Ooh, yeah. Dark Bro, I did see that one. I didn't see that one come through in the last live stream, but I did see you send that in the Discord there. I'm gonna read that one right. I can replay that one. Yeah, I can replay that one and then read it. I did see that here. Dude, that Solnado Cash pre-sale, I don't know if you guys participated in that, but I was sitting here. I refreshed everything. I got the buy button. I clicked buy when there was literally like, I don't know, 15 Solana that had been purchased. I clicked buy, and then I had to click confirm. I confirmed everything, and then the line just kept filling up. I thought I was in, but they didn't take my Solana, man. So apparently it didn't go through in time. It was wild. It sold out in 15 seconds. Those guys raised $55,000 in 15 seconds. Crazy pre-sale, man. Let's see. Jeffrey, before I read that, I want to say, Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro said, later, broskies, Honorarium logo on Afternoon Live. Clay Bro, take out AMC. Also, when Honorarium video update? Dang it, man. The dude sent a 5 earlier. He sent a 10 today. I don't know the answer as to when. I already do. I'm going to say I got some sponsored videos lined up for the next couple of days, man. But hopefully an Honorarium video soon, so we could buy that little dip up off the screen right there and make it go back to $1 million market cap. That's what we need to see, man. And he also says, don't say soon. I thought that was like the just industry answer, man. I thought everything was industry soon. Hey, I have 1.36 ETH. I am up 2,500 on it. I am on the fence about selling my 0.36, taking a little back and reinvesting into Jasmine or Crow. Jeffrey, how do you listen? I think that both Ethereum and Bitcoin have been performing beautifully over the last several months. Okay. Now, I didn't think that Bitcoin was going to break up through this 50,000 level as easily as it just did. I personally didn't think that Ethereum would not even stop at these recent resistance levels at 2,600, but it kept ripping. Okay. Now, I've said this several times, and I am just quoting these analysts. They believe we're going to see a dollar liquidity crunch throughout March. Reverse repos, the inflation rate, or no, it's the interest rate decision. Sorry, the interest rate decision. And something with, I forget what it is now, something with bank lending. Okay? All of these three things could potentially lead to less dollars being available to the economy. If that is the case, I do agree with the analysts and the CEOs that we could see a pullback in riskier assets like stocks and crypto. Okay, if there's no liquidity issues, I think that these coins can continue moving higher. So if you're on the fence right now and you don't necessarily know which way it's going to go next, the only thing you can really ask yourself at that point is how comfortable do you feel with 1.36 Ethereum? You do have a beautiful profit on it so far, right? $2,500 profit is very nice. But how comfortable do you feel with 1.36 Ethereum? Now, don't think about Ethereum going to $10,000 a coin. Don't think about Ethereum necessarily pulling back. How comfortable are you with, I think that's roughly what, $4,000 to $5,000 in one asset? Does that make up your whole portfolio? Does it make up 50% of your portfolio? Like, what's the breakdown there? And if you would feel more comfortable diversifying, I would say sure. Cut that 0.36, reinvest it into some Crow, possibly Jasmy, but we'll take a look at Jasmy. You might be chasing Jasmy at the moment, I'm not sure. But if you would feel more comfortable diversifying that instead of holding a full 1.36, then I would say go that route. But I don't know which direction these coins are going to go. You got a lot of guys saying pull back in March. Let's see. I love how Clay Rose skips mine. See, I'm the crazy one. I never skip yours, dude. I never skip yours. That's just nonsense. Tim, kombu no drink. Not supposed to drive, but I still do. But be careful, kombu. Be careful, man. I tried, but it didn't go through. Are you talking about that pre-sale? Dude, that pre-sale was nuts, man. I clicked the button. And, I'll just say it. I was going to go, I tried to go the full 15, okay? I tried to go the full 15 that you were allowed to get. And then in the case that, I was really going to think about it in the case that you guys wanted to get in and you weren't able to get in, I was going to go, maybe one Solana to anybody that did want to do that. I clicked the button. I honestly thought that I was in, man, because there was probably another 10 seconds of that green line filling up on the screen. There was probably another 10 seconds of that green line filling up on the screen after I had clicked confirm. And I'm like, well, dude, I gotta be in, right? That line is still filling up. But that line must have been lagging or something, because by the time my transaction, I guess, would have completed or whatever, maybe that line was just slightly lagging on their website. I swear I clicked it. I clicked it probably 5 seconds after it appeared, and it was pink. People must have been, boom, just ready to pull the trigger on that one. But that was fast, dude. That was fast. I really can't believe how fast that thing went. I do think that Kai got in, though. I think Kai got in. Coma brain injuries are the best excuse for everything. Been using it for decades. Pain and blessing, it all depends on how you use it, man. There you go. Remember, Clay, bro, 100 milli is calling your name. Oh. Dark bro, man. Dark bro. Talk to me more, Dark bro. Talk to me more. I want 100 mil, man. I want to ride that 100 million all the way up. I want to ride it all the way up to a penny. Oh, yeah. $1 million in honorarium. Oh, yes. But I also don't want to be committed to doing videos for the rest of my life on honorarium or anything like that. So you got to keep that in mind as well, man. You got to keep that in mind as well. I can't be signing lifelong contracts or anything. But hey, let's look at how Shib the Metaverse is doing. Tim, You know, honestly, I don't know if Shib the Metaverse is doing better than Farmy or not. Because I truly don't think that Farmy exists. Okay? I truly don't think that Farmy exists. I think that Farmy is just a complete scam. Look at this. $1.06. Look at this $1.06, dude. It was $5 2 weeks ago. It's at $1.06 now. I truly don't think that this company exists. It's just some sort of a Chinese scam. Okay? And that's not to say that everything out of China is a scam, right? This company is out of China, and I truly believe it to be a scam. So, Chinese scam, right? I don't even think these guys grow mushrooms. But then again, I don't think there's any metaverse. Clearly, if they've been working on it for 2 years now, they suck. That's not even me being mean or critical, right? Yuga Labs got their metaverse out, got their play to earn game. Dude, that Yuga Labs play to earn sewer dash game, where you were surfing through the sewers, dodging turds and stuff like that. The kid that won that game sold that NFT for $1 million. Some kid that just sat there and played the game, going left and right with his little cursor on the screen, dodging turds and stuff in the play-to-earn game. Dude, if Yuga Labs can get that stuff out in months, it shouldn't be taking years for the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team to develop a metaverse. And that's not me just being critical. That's just like, it's common sense, man. If another company can do it that fast, Shib can do it that fast as well. Let's see. 100 million is conditioned with doing at least one honorarium video per week and replacing the AMC logo with honorarium in perpetuity, meaning it never ends. One honorarium video per week in perpetuity. That's the hard part, man. That's the hard part. We got a dark sis in here. Holy smokes! Are we really? Always dial up was 264 pounds, my heaviest, and everything that happened, and I felt like I couldn't breathe. But day by day, I stayed committed. But now I'm back in shape. That's what I'm talking about, Dark Bro. Dang, dude, 264 pounds. My dude's a tank. But now he's back down. I'm sure he's feeling a lot better too. Let's see. No lifelong commitment. We ain't married. Good, Dark Bro. Good. Win hole in one, dude. Moji hit 2 hole-in-ones already today. There was a real eagle. No eagle score, though. Dude, the real eagle is better than an eagle or a birdie or anything out there, Moji. That eagle was awesome that you sent earlier. Dark Bro, it doesn't help that I was on a weight loss injection, but due to high demand, I can't get it because they can't keep up the supply. Dang, man. Dial-up survivor, let me ask you this, and this is not me being rude or anything. Like, if you look at your lifestyle, right? Are you eating clean? Are you moving? Because if you're eating clean and moving, that's like the foundation, okay? If you're doing that, you're already well on the right path to doing what you need to do. If not, I mean, I don't really care, but if not, I mean, that would be an excellent place to start. Move and eat clean. I'm telling you right now, you're going to be much better off, but I don't know anything about weight loss injections or anything like that, man. I mean, if that's something you absolutely need, I hope you can get it, but got to start with the foundations, right? My lemonade stand is doing better than Shibarium. Chris, dude. Dude, Chris, you know, maybe I got a niece and nephew, right? They got a nice, beautiful house now. Maybe I go over there and I build them a little Shibanade stand, like a little lemonade stand that accepts cryptocurrency this summer. They could pop that bad boy out in their front yard. They could put the little QR code out there that they can accept cryptocurrency, and then I could post it out there that, yeah, man, my little lemonade stand truly is burning more Shib than the ecosystem team burns. Yeah, maybe I should do that. Timmy! Thank you very much for the super chat. Tim says, like Shib the Metaverse does. It's just, it's just sped away its Ethereum, but Shib the game, Wellies, Scambarium, and Fashion Guy. Oh, don't forget the luggage, guys. Oh, Tim, you might be forgetting the most important one of them all. D3, dude. Fake domain names. Oh my gosh. Like, look, okay, I get it. If they were able to get a .shib top tier domain name, it's cool, right? It's cool. That's fine. I go out there, I pay for claybro.com. I get a stupid little receipt from GoDaddy like every month because I continue to keep claybro.com and ownership over that. Sorry. But why would I reserve .shib if it doesn't even exist? Why would I pay for .shib if it's just a hope that they're able to accomplish that? Knowing full well that Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, all the other major players in the game have not been able to get a top tier domain. Why would I trust that the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team could pull something off that Bitcoin and Ethereum couldn't even do? I can't do it, man. I'm on a seafood diet. Moji sees it. Moji eats it. Yeah, I like it, Moji. I like it. 280 to 230. Congratulations, Bolts. That's listen, if you guys are out there, congratulate these guys, man. These are victories. These are life victories, man. So, Bolts, dude, very nice. My flea market table every other Sunday does better than Shib. Hey, Gary, man, there you go, dude. I've been on keto, dropped 70 pounds on keto. Heck yeah, Chris, there you go, man. Little Floki just dropped. Ooh, Ken with two ends. Let's take a look at Little Floki. Wonder why it's dropping down like that. The Timmy! Oh, yeah. Yeah, we could definitely have an honorary. It wouldn't be just a Shib stand, right? It would literally be a crypto. They could send in Bitcoin. Dude, that actually would be pretty sweet. You know, if you went out there, these kids are young, man. These kids are young, right? They probably wouldn't even be excited about selling lemonade. They'd probably rather be inside watching the Mario movie. But dude, if you opened up a lemonade stand for these kids, and then they're not even going to know what money is for the next 20 years, imagine if you did, right? And I don't know how many people in the neighborhood have crypto or whatever. Maybe they could just pay with Flexa or something and swap it into crypto. Then buy them a little Nintendo Switch game or whatever and say, congratulations, you guys did great. But imagine you took the money from that lemonade stand and bought Bitcoin or Ethereum or XRP or something with it. And then in 20 years from now, they got it. And that little lemonade stand turned into like $28,000 in cryptocurrency because their crypto 1,000x'd over the course of a 20-year period. And they're, oh yeah, you guys got 28 grand from that lemonade stand you opened up back in 2024. They'd be like, what? Uncle Clay's the best. I'd say yes. Would you pay for the OnlyFans account, Clay? I got an OnlyFans account? Dang, dude, if there's a Claybro OnlyFans account out there, tell me if it's good. Tell me if it's good. It better be good. Keep buying the smaller cryptos and then sell them when my gut tells me to. Dial up. That's a strategy. There you go. Yo, bro, I spent $750 on Amazon. Burn, baby. Burn. Hey, Deuce. That's what I like to hear, man. That's what I like to hear. And the funny thing is, dude, I know my mom uses that Amazon link. And the thing is, because she showed me she uses it before. The thing is, dude, if my mom can open Amazon through that link, you guys can open Amazon through that link. I know you can. I don't have an iPhone, so I don't even know how to do this, but she's got it like pinned as an app to her like homepage on her phone, and she just opens it through that link, through that app, that little widget thing, instead of opening it directly through Amazon, and then she makes the purchases. So do that. Listen to Deuce, man. Okay, I don't care if you guys go out there and spend $1,000 a month or anything like that. It doesn't have to be big. But even if you go out and you spend $10 a month on Amazon, whatever, you're buying your cat a new toy every month. Use that Amazon link. Share that Amazon link with your mom as well. She's shopping on Amazon, and if my mom can do it, your mom can do it. All I'm saying is Shib hit 1,000 playing downs on Crypto.com. And I don't blame you. Tim, you triple topping on the day at 1,000 right here. If you're playing downs right now, that candle's looking pretty juicy coming in with that purple. Watch out, though, because Ethereum is throwing some greens, and Bitcoin is sitting, holy smokes, Bitcoin is sitting at $54,750 right now. Now, Bitcoin is triple topping on the day here, so do watch out for that. Dude, if Bitcoin breaks this level, we could be seeing 60 real soon. But, okay, it's very strange that these guys have been so accurate so far, but those CEOs, they were saying you're going to see a pullback in March. Those CEOs were claiming that if the ETFs get approved, we could see anywhere between a 30 to 40% decline in the price of Bitcoin by March. So he was saying that Bitcoin could be touching $60,000, $65,000 per coin by March after an ETF approval. And he's saying that like down in this area right here, when Bitcoin was sitting at 40,000, we're already at $55,000. So I can't fault the guy if he was off by $5,000, if he was off by 10%. So just be very careful. If we are in this $55,000 to $60,000 level for Bitcoin, if liquidity starts to crunch in March, he's expecting a pullback into this in between $30,000 and $40,000. Okay, so just you don't want to see that happen, man. People are going to get pretty bearish pretty quick, but it could be the last buying opportunity before a major rally takes place. Okay, this is your ascending trend line. I don't know if we'll come back down into this area or not. If it does, it is a major buying opportunity. Okay, this is like the lows of the low down here. If it hits this level, major buying opportunity. The more aggressive trend line that you've got is this one right here. Okay, this is the more aggressive trend lines you got, and I just put this one longer on the screen. So more aggressive trend line right there. This would coincide with where he expects the pullback to be, down to this 33 level. It's red and the ascending trend line meeting up right in that area right there. Of course, this is a monthly graph. So this past month, February, has been beautiful, going from $44,000 to $55,000. If that erases and just adds that to the downside, of course, you could be seeing the $33,000 level hit. So be careful with Bitcoin going into March is all I'm saying. These guys seem to be accurate so far. What do we got? What did I just miss? VJ, man, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. I do appreciate it, man. Kunkel Clay is already the best. Kunkel Clay. Heck yeah. Moji, man. Kunkel Clay, dude. I'm Kunkel Clay. It's not just Clay Bro, right? Kunkel Clay as well. Clay Bro's OnlyFans. I went on it to see what it was, and it's just videos of Clay playing with it. Chris, I do have videos of me playing with my cat, so I mean, you gotta watch out for that. It could be me. The token was called GPT. Kenbro. So it took $10 to $15,000 last night, and then I'm guessing rug pulled. Would not let me cash out. Do they taxes? Let me cash out. Due to taxes, they changed in the middle of trading. Take that to the bank. Yeah, dude. Kenbro, that's like the perfect example of a honeypot, man. That's the perfect example of a honeypot rug pull. And that's absolutely terrible, dude. GPT. I wonder if that's still... Let's see where it's at here. Probably this one. Yeah, dude. Yeah. And this one you would have taken $10 to $15,000, man. This one would have done it. I mean, look at this, guys. Going from a penny, 0.004, half a cent down here, to $1.17. 200x gains, right? So 375 holders right now. But look at this stupid thing. Disagreement on a honeypot, you got 100% sell tax. Definitely a honeypot, man. Definitely a honeypot. Minimal, yeah. Blacklisted, sell tax 100%, sell tax 100%. Not good, man. Not good. So, Ken, that sucks. You guys can't even see it. That's terrible, Ken. I mean, that is terrible. But thanks for bringing it up, because I hope nobody else gets into it. I'd rather burn my house than burn Shib. Not helping the blind, follow the corrupt. Dude, don't burn your house, please. But, Tim, use that link, okay? Use the link anyway. Use the Amazon link. It'll be good. Seed oils are no bueno. I don't know nothing about seed oils, man. She was sitting at 1,000 when Bitcoin was at 19,000. She was totally detached from Bitcoin. Zombie coin. Yeah, it is detached. In a sense, it's detached from Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is outperforming a lot, but it's definitely outperforming shit. Well, Bitcoin hits 100,000. Tim's gonna do some big fruit stuff. Oh, big fruit, stupid rich guy stuff. Definitely national news level. Oh boy. Well, Bitcoin will be hitting 100,000. I just don't know when. Show us. Do it. Let's see it. Do you know what doesn't do? That? Honorarium. Just saying. And it is true. Dark Bro, man, that's why I've actually felt very good just holding my honorarium. I know the volume's back down to almost nothing, $600 a day being traded in honorarium, but I feel very comfortable holding my honorarium, man. I really do. I set a target price. If it hits it, I'll be happy. There you go, Jeffrey. Chris, if you want to see a cool cat, subscribe to my channel. There you go, man. Get another combine, Tim? He might. What is that? Chugging up the road in my flower, 5 miles an hour. His name is Tim. Tim Possible. Now I just combined 2 different songs right there. Oh, man. Yeah, all the bros, by the way. If you guys do have a channel, right, if you're doing anything, I don't care if it's TikTok, I don't care if it's X, I don't care if it's YouTube, I don't care what it is. If you guys support all the bros, man. Everybody follow everybody everywhere, right? That's what this is all about, man. That's what this is all about. So definitely, man, all you guys got to do to pull up anybody's channel, just click on somebody's name. You can see their YouTube channel. But dead serious, if you guys want to take the next 2 minutes, if you do have a TikTok, a YouTube, Instagram, or whatever, and you want somebody to follow it, just type your @ in the chat, man. If anybody's interested, they'll either go do it now or they'll write it down, screenshot it, and do it later. But I would suggest everybody being in here, being as supportive as possible. And if you want some follows, get some follows, man. If you want some friends, make some friends, man. You guys are absolutely awesome. And it's because you are so supportive. So do that, man. Do that. Except Ken Bro's channel. Don't do that to Ken Bro's channel. I have a cat who fetches. You know what? Dial-up survivor. My cat's pretty sweet, and I don't know what kind of a cat it is, right? But it looks like an Aegean cat. And I was reading, they do say some cats will play fetch. You'll throw something, they'll go grab it, they'll bring it back so you can throw it again. Some cats do like to play like that. So, absolutely. Dial-up survivor, you definitely could. Hey, Clay, have you heard of a token called Phoenix? Yes, I have, man. Have you seen... now, Phoenix, let me ask you... All right, you ask me a question, I got to ask you a question now. You say, have you heard of a token called AVI? The answer is yes. Now, are you asking me that because you saw guys posting my clip of AVI out on X, and now you're coming in just to talk about it again? Or are you legitimately concerned if I know AVI or not? I want to know, because I've seen them posting my stuff out on X, talking about AVI, and if you came in and said, hey, pretty hard. It's pumping pretty hard, and only $14 million market cap. It is true. But are you coming in with that one, AVI? Did I get you, Phoenix? Do you already know that I know AVI, and you just want to talk about it? Or what do you got going on, man? Try to teach mine to use the toilet, but he likes water too much. Dang, man. Dang cat. Fetches and sits on command. That's actually nice. Hey, Clay, take a look at AI Aladdin. Remember I said I bought some earlier? Yes, Caesar, I actually do remember you bought some earlier. Let's look at it. Maybe the last 10 minutes, Geopets, what I'm talking about. Okay, if I'm going to get supported for an OnlyFans page. Oh, God. Listen, bros, if you got an OnlyFans page, I don't care. Get that out there as well. People can make their own decisions as to whether or not they want to follow your OnlyFans page. To each his own, right? To each his own, man. We're all bros. Only bros here, man. Only bros. I knew it, Phoenix. I knew it. See, I knew it, Phoenix. I see you out there, man. How does a honeypot like that jump that much in 24 hours? What kind of advertising? Franchise. Usually little to no advertising, but the simple fact that nobody can sell, it draws in new buyers, right? If you look at that graph, now you can see $1.59 million is a lot of money. Probably most of that money is the team's money, okay? They can give the money back to themselves, right? So the $500,000 in the liquidity pool, the majority of it is the honey, right? It's just the team going out there and making their buys, knowing that they're going to rip that money right out from under everybody. So $500,000 in the liquidity pool. Let's say that out of that $500,000, $400,000 is the team's. $450,000 is the team's money. That chart looks really good, right? I mean, dude, you see a chart like this, you're already enticed to get into it. Going from half a cent, 10xing to 5 cents. 10xing to 5 cents. And then it keeps going up. And now you're starting to FOMO, dude. Crap, 12 cents. It's just 100, like 20, 30x or whatever. I can get in right now. And then it keeps going up. Yeah, you're getting in on this dip right here. The honey's too sweet at that point. You get in, dude, and then you realize you can't sell. And they probably don't have any social media accounts. You can't click on any website or any X out here. And it's trending on these Binance Smart Chain coins because it's doing $159 million in volume. Well, because you can't sell and the price continues to go up, people start FOMOing in, and even if it's $490,000 of the team's money, that honey attracted another $10,000, and now those guys can't sell because there's 100% sell tax. So even if it was $490,000, the scam team, they attracted another $10,000 that they're ripping out of people. Rinse, repeat, do the same stupid thing again tomorrow. These guys are making 10 grand a day. The advertising is essentially the chart itself, right? It's not necessarily people paying marketers and so on to go out there and do it. The chart speaks for itself. People begin to FOMO in. And look, man, you're already seeing some other buys. I don't know if these buys are the team or not. These sells, they could still be the team, because the sell tax is going to the team. So they might be selling on their wallets to make it look legitimate, but it's all a scam, dude, because that 100% sell tax goes directly to the team, and they're ripping everybody. $1.7 billion market cap on a Binance Smart Chain coin that came out yesterday, fake news. So you got to look at that stuff. Hoorah, Shiba this year. What are your thoughts? Please explain. VJ, man, I hope Shiba goes up, but it's all going to depend on the market, right? If Bitcoin's hitting all-time highs and Shib isn't moving, that's a major concern. If Bitcoin begins to hit all-time highs, I would hope that Shiba Inu coin begins to break out of resistance levels and move higher. Pudgy, first in the chat. What's going on, Pudgy? Glad to have you. When bro coin? Gosh, Tim, we need a bro coin bad, dude. We need a bro coin to happen. Maybe at the if it does dip in March, man, we need a bro coin to happen. Maybe on that March dip. And I know that's very, very soon here. But we're going to need a bro coin soon because the bull market, right? I truly believe that this next year, if it does dip in March, okay. But I believe over the next year, man, and that's when you want to set up a nice year-long history before the actual FOMO bull market rally takes place. Because, dude, at that point, you've got that year-long history. Your coin's done very well. It's got a positive long-term graph. The FOMO rally takes place sometime in 2025. Boom, all-time highs are being ripped through. Brocoin is one of them that goes along. So, Tim, I would actually really like to sit down and think about that more than I have. But I would love to sit down and think about that and try to make something happen after if there's another dip out there. Let's see. How many did you release this year? Shiba, please help. Oh, I don't know how many, zeros Shiba Inu coin will burn through, or how many percentage gain it'll have, dude. Like I say, it all depends on the overall market and what takes place there. But in the meantime, if you want to check out another coin, you do have Honorarium. Honorarium is looking very good. Dark Bro, man. Dark Bro's got to be very proud of this coin right here in the price action. It is phenomenal. If you're watching and you know it, hit the like button. And if you're watching and you don't know it, I don't know what to tell you. Something is wrong, man. Something is wrong. I've got a bro coin just sitting in my wallet from last June on Ethereum, and then got wrapped up in Honorarium. Ken, bro, and Honorarium is looking sweet right now, isn't it? Trump sold coin down to $1.5 million market cap. Ooh, it was. Hey, you know what? I have that up. I'm ready. I got some Solana sitting in my. Where's it at right there? I got that up right here, dude. You can see it. Hopefully it loads. Yeah, it was actually lower than that a minute ago. It was down to like 23. What is that? 4 zeros and a 23 a couple minutes ago. Wow, a couple minutes ago. Right before the live stream. I was watching it, and then some buys started to come in. It is on its way back down. What am I showing you guys on my phone for? The heck is wrong with me? Got a computer here where I can stinking screen share. I'm pulling my phone up, dude. Oh, gosh. It's something like a 40-year-old man would do. Holy smokes. But yeah, as you guys can see it right here, the T-Coin, it is on its way back down. Major support right here. I do have some Solana ready to pull the trigger with. I will be buying some of this coin. You guys don't have to buy it, clearly, if you don't like the T-Man. If you don't like Solana coins, if you don't like making money, whatever, you don't have to get into it. But it is at a $1.43 million market cap. Very, very strong decline. Okay, very, very strong decline on the day today and over the last week. But I am interested in getting into this. My line is right down here. I would love to hit this line. I'd really like to hit this line down here at about 15. But, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know how far this one can fall. And I may pull the trigger on it. And then if I got a dollar cost average down a little bit, maybe dollar cost average down a little bit. But I think that those coins are going to do very, very well as all of the election hype kind of kicks up. So, franchise absolutely keeping his eye on it. Old man advice: the less the people trust the government, the more large cap crypto coins will pump. I agree with that. That's middle-aged man advice as well, Tim. Old man advice and middle-aged man advice as well. Need an update video? For sure. We do need an update video on Honorarium. I can tell you that right now. Clear bro, cheers. Tony, man, cheers to you as well. I buy 20,000 Indian rupees. How much expect in Shiba Inu, please? VJ, man, I actually don't know the conversion, so I don't know what I would be able to say about that. Made it. JB, thank you very much for coming into the chat. Hey, VJ, man, if you buy 20,000 Indian rupees and you get back to the all-time high, you would be sitting on 8x. You'd be sitting on 160,000 rupees, right? If it gets back to the all-time high. Now, I don't know if it will or not, but that's what you're looking at there. Let's see. I'll just sit on all of my $19 Solana. Tim, man, that might not be a bad idea. Let's see here. Have a great evening. Man, it is 5 o'clock. JB coming in right at the end of this chat here. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs, and we will be back this evening. Please watch the videos. There is a sponsored video coming out in that frog with hat. So make sure to watch that one a couple times. Click the link on it. Give them some engagement. Check out their coin. Absolutely, it is back down on a major dip right now, so that might be providing another opportunity. But appreciate all of the engagement that you guys provide and all that good stuff, man. We'll do these shout-outs. We got videos coming back, and then of course you guys are gonna have a great evening. Maurice, man, see you later. Dark Bro, good G news. Good news. That's what it is. Good news. See you later, man. Tony, VJ, man, see you later. We got JB, Tim, Classy, see you later, man. Moji, Matic Dance, Moji, Tim, have a great one. We got Dark Bro, Johnny Quest, Old Rounder, adios to you, bye, Shade Bro, Geoped, Dial Up, James, Jeffrey, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you. Pudgy says, peace out to the diamond-handed king clowns. J-Bones, UB, Markel, you guys know what time it is. Moji, Tim, you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.